Antonio Banderas. Antonio Banderas, de Latin Lover.
Oh!
You are very beautiful.
Yes, I know!
I like your eyes.
My what? Eyes!
Yes, madam, can I help you?
Do you have any vegetarian food?
What?
I didn't think so!
Melanie!
Melanie!
Una divisa tutta che spia, ballano assieme un foxtrot, odore di brillanti e Yavanos. Stringi la forte fra le dita, unghie rosse e occhi blu, l'orchestra ora è un po' più soft, suona un blues. Stringila fuerte, stringila, te puede dar mucho apuro. Envuélvela intensamente, un tango argentino.
No police.
And how much money you got?
5,000.
5,000 lira? That's nothing.
No, not lira.
Not lira, euros?
No, not euros.
Not euros, then what?
Pounds.
5,000 pounds?
Yes.
5,000 English pounds?
Yes, 5,000 limit.
How?
It was an English bank.
Very good, Johnny, I like your style. Me and you, we're gonna go far. We're gonna have big houses, big cars, big... Oh, that's police! Johnny, this way! Look at the back! Look at the back over here!
And welcome to the food. And welcome to the Food for Thought fancy restaurant in the beautiful Marbella. Here you will see many famous people. Tonight, for instance, we have Antonio Banderas!
So come on!
Melanie Griffiths is an actress, she doesn't sing! What? Melanie Griffiths is an actress, she can't sing!
But I just told you these people...
Oh, she sings!
Oh, good.
Hello. Hello. And tell me, what is your name?
Monica.
Excellent. Tell me, Chica, can you sing?
Yes.
And can you dance?
Yes.
And do you want to be famous?
Yes.
Excellent, because tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have lots of famous people here. And tonight we have a